I get up, no, no, can't deny that. No, no, I get up, no, 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 I get up.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be going through my Canopy setup by Offroad Systems. So the Canopy itself is a 700 wide canopy. So I wanted to maintain my tray space so I could put a rooftop tent there in the future or carry stuff around. So I didn't want a big canopy. So it's a bit of a tight squeeze to fit everything in there, but we managed to do it. And yeah. So we're up in the American tops at the moment, so I thought I'd just get this video in while I'm up here. So yeah, let's have a quick look through it, shall we? Cheers. So the 12 volt system in this canopy is absolutely amazing. It's the full Redarc Manager 30 system. So the Manager 30 is just here, just there. I actually, when we were designing this, we had to change this backing board to be thinner so that we could fit the Manager 30 in there, save a bit of space. But basically I'll just take you through quickly the Redarc Manager 30 system. So basically you've got this control screen here, which I've set this to be my main screen here, and as you can see I've got 3 days of power until the battery's flat. But the best thing about this is that it actually tells you how much solar you're bringing in. So at the moment I'm bringing in about 30 watts, and then it also tells you daily totals as well. So yeah, I actually get quite good solar from this system. I'm running a 140 watt solar panel on the roof, which I'll show you. So guys, here's the 140 watt Voltec solar panel. This thing is an absolute beast. The maximum amps I've seen out of this is about 8 amps, which is pretty good considering the fridge only draws about 3 when it's fully cycled. So this thing keeps the battery really topped up. So yeah, definitely recommend this panel for sure. And that 540 watt hours is equivalent to about 50 amp hours, give or take. So I'm putting in a fair bit of juice. At the moment I can actually, on this Redarc system, you can actually see here which inputs you're using. So you got solar here, then you got your 240 mains power, and then you got your alternator. So at the moment I'm only getting a bit of solar, but that's good to see. Check your alternator and stuff like that as well. You can also see how many amps I'm pulling at the moment. So at the moment I've got the inverter running, and I'm drawing about 1.2 amps, and I'm putting in about 3 amps, which is good. So you can read all your amperage in and out, which is awesome. And it also tells you, your float, what stage you're in and stuff like that, and your battery temperature. And then yeah, so that's that. You can also see all your charge logs per day, so you can see how it's been charging over different periods of time over the day. And you can also see daily charge logs as well, which is good. But yeah, that's the Manager 30 anyway. That's just such a sick setup. The 240 power is just here, which is awesome. It's good for topping it up before you leave. Yeah, so that's the 12 volt system. There's a few SIG plugs and 12 volt outlets just here, and there's a couple up here as well. There's also a special one which I custom designed myself. There's an angle plug just here on the outside of the canopy. Now I did that because I wanted to be able to run the LED bar light inside the awning without having to have this canopy door open. So that's the reason I did that. And now in addition, I actually put another solar input here for a portable panel. So if I want more solar, I can put more solar in, which is a good idea. Other than that, I'll take you around the other side and show you the rest of the 12 volts set up on this. So just got the inverter and the battery on the other side, so I'll show you that now. So on this side, guys, for 12 volt, we've got the 1000 watt pure sine wave inverter from Enerdrive, and then we've also got 120 amp hour lithium from Itechworld. That battery is absolutely brilliant. I haven't gone below 80%, as you would have seen before, and that's using inverter and everything. So charging camera batteries, my phone and everything, and running the fridge. So that's awesome. So for lighting, guys, I've got lights on each canopy door. So I've got orange button here and a white as well, and you can actually have them on at the same time, and there's one on each side of the canopy. Now on this side of the canopy, there's a light switch just in here for the inside light here, which I'll put some footage up, but there's a light just behind here, so that's good. Now that switch there is for the inverter, so I don't have to reach in. But yeah, now for water, there is a custom made 50 litre water tank just here, and it's all gravity fed with a breather here and then the hose here. Also on that water tank, this hose here tells me my water level, and then this is our filler and dispensing nozzle with a hinge here. I'll chuck in some footage of that for you guys now. Now you might be wondering what this bung's for. Now this is also a filler nozzle if you want to fill it by gravity if you don't have a hose, which is a brilliant idea. In terms of storage, guys, we've got this custom made drawer which was made around the water tank and the drawer and the fridge and the battery and all that kind of stuff. So it's all custom built. Yeah, it pulls out. I'll chuck some footage in of that now. And it has dividers as well, which you can move as well around like this. Yeah, it's so versatile, and the locking mechanism is really good. I've also got this little sneaky cubby here to store little things in, which is awesome. Not sure what I'm going to put in there yet, but it's there when I need it. So yeah, that's just a sneaky little cubby there. But yeah, I've also got, on where the water tank is, I've put in a fire extinguisher here. Yeah, got a safety first, guys. Make sure we all carry a fire extinguisher around when we're out bush. So the fridge in this canopy is a 65 litre upright Bushman's. It is a brilliant fridge. If you haven't seen my first impressions video, it'll be linked up above. So definitely check that out. It's just an awesome fridge. I've taken it on a few trips now. So I'll be up for a full review on this soon. But absolutely brilliant. Saves so much weight with this fridge. Yeah, this fridge has been just awesome. So yeah, now for these switches, you guys might be wondering what these switches are for. Now I haven't actually hooked any of these switches up at the moment, so I'm not sure what I should use them for, but I'll put them there just in case. If you guys have any suggestions of what I should use them for, just chuck them in the comments and let me know, because I'm not sure what I can use them for at this point. Now, to keep everything safe, we've got a fuse panel here with fuses labelled for everything. Also, there's also spare fuse slots as well, so I can definitely get some more stuff in the future, which is awesome. So yeah, I'll just show you the table now. The table was custom built specifically to fit this fridge, and to fit the drawer on the other side. But that table actually slots in right here. Excuse the mess, guys, I'm charging all this stuff at the moment. But yeah, I'll chuck in some B-roll of setting up the table and putting the table in, so I'll do that for you. But yeah, no, that's pretty much it for the canopy, guys. If you have any questions, just chuck it in the comments. I'll be more than happy to get back to all of you guys about this canopy. So guys, that's a walkthrough of my canopy. I can't thank the guys at Offroad Systems enough. I spent a good 3 months going back and forth between myself and them, coming up with this design. It's unreal, this system. It's exactly everything I wanted it to be. If you guys need any advice from them, or you're looking to get a canopy set up like this, I'll chuck a link in the description below. There will also be links to all the components like the Redarc gear, my fridge and all that kind of stuff in the description below. So if you guys want to get anything from them or from Bushman or anything like that, there'll be links in the description. Yeah, there's just so much more. There's just words just can't put in how good this canopy turned out. Yeah, definitely hit them up. They're one of the best places in Sydney that you can get canopy fit outs done. It's all custom too, guys, so if you guys want something custom built like me, or you just want something off the shelf, you can get them to do that too. So if you guys want to go down to their showroom or give them a visit, they're located in Smeaton Grange. I'll leave the link to their website in the description, as I said before. But yeah, the stuff that they do there is just amazing. Belinda especially was really good with figuring everything out, getting everything just right. And the boys in the workshop, thanks guys, you guys did an absolutely amazing job. Got everything exactly the way I envisioned it. It took me about 2 months to come up with this design. I'd full designed this in CAD myself. Everything from the beams holding in the floor to every wood panel. I even modelled all the electronics to see if everything would fit. If you guys want a video of that, of how I come up with that design in CAD, just chuck it in the comments and let me know, and I'll make a video of that. But yeah, just can't say enough about Offroad Systems. Their gear is just absolutely amazing. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video walkthrough of my canopy. Yeah, so have a good one, guys. Cheers.